out with the old, in with the new. What can I say? These are the old cupboards and things that came out. They're going out on the back patio for sale, and there we go. Old stuff out. Well, it's Saturday, the 19th of December, and our kitchen has finally been finished. I'm not going to tell you what time it is. I only just got up, fed the cats. Here's Zoe, Jemima rather, and that's, yes, meow, Zoe, just come in to say hello. Anyway, back to the kitchen. I have some photos of the previous kitchen, so I'll get that out. Anyway, we have new hardware everywhere. Look at this, pop out bloody buttons. We have display doors for Robin to put some stuff in. We've got a cooktop with a range hood. Oh, come on, out. Whee, look at that. Goes in there. We have a dishwasher, an AEG dishwasher. We have a new fridge. And we have stone bench top. Excuse the dishes. We are living here, you know. And cop this. This is the corner cupboards. These are really sexy. Hang on, I've got to change hands with the camera. That pulls out. And then that pushes along. And the back one pulls out. Really cunning. I love it. And we've got all drawers for storage except for the kitchen under the sink and for the corners. And we've got a 4-point power point there and 2 over there and the Palbius mug there. Yeah, we haven't put everything back together yet, so, but there's our kitchen, all brand new, not without its little hitches, but yeah. Oh, one big hitch. I need to get this damn thing replaced because, oh come on, don't do this to me, there we go. Yeah, sort of can't open this door with the fan going, but yeah, that's life. There you go. I'll put this together a bit later and hung it up on the internet. Cheers. And now just some pics that I took afterwards. Basically, just looking at the various parts. It's mostly white with some nice grey. The grout is grey. The gauze are grey. It's got aluminium or stainless steel kickboard, the same as the surround of the glass doors. Both corner cupboards have those pull-out nests. Mate, it's just pretty damn schmick. And there it goes the tile. Old to new. Cheers.